Well, hey guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to download Thunderbird email. It's quite simple. You head to commissionbasedmarketing.com, click on Business Solutions, and once the Business Solutions page comes up, you'll go down to the bottom of that page, and there's a little button that says Download Thunderbird Email here. Now, we use Thunderbird email because we just find that it works better. We've had less issues with it, and it's just a little bit more reliable than some of the other platforms, and it's free. So you can go ahead, once you get to the Thunderbird site, just click on the free download, and it'll start downloading to your computer. Now, there will be a screen that pops up in a minute. They're an open source platform, meaning that they don't charge for their product, but they do accept donations. But you don't have to donate. They appreciate it. It does help the system get better. But we're going to ignore the payment setup right now and just go straight to setting the Thunderbird up. So it's going to extract the file once you click on it, and then it will also bring up this file that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You want to say yes. You're going to click on next. You're just going to do a standard setup, and you're going to install it. And now that's going to install on the computer. Like I said, it's not that cumbersome. It's pretty quick, and you'll finish the setup. And the next phase of this will be uploading your custom email into the site, which you can learn in our next video by either clicking below or subscribing to our YouTube channel and finding the correct video for uploading your email into Thunderbird. So I hope this is really helpful. If you need any additional help, you can always fill out another customer service form on our website and get a technician to help you in person. Thank you.